welcome back. You're just in time for Girl Talk, yay! The topic on the table this Tuesday, the pressure of public proposals, saying yes to save face. So should she or should she not? Or should he? Because I've actually seen videos where
women ask men in public?
Women ask men in public and get turned on. Anywho, that's a talk on the table.
Ask them in private.
I'm going to assume, Unique, that we don't have any videos to show, so we're just talking about how this became a thing and when. I think I would have started seeing most of these in the last maybe year or so, where people just feel very brave and also very sure of themselves until the response comes.
That's a part of it I don't understand. Because if you reach public, it means that at least you must have had some inclination that a yes was coming. Oh, you feel not know say yes I come.
Inclination or hope?
No, inclination.
Some people don't know the difference between inclination and hope.
That you going to say yes?
Yeah. So they hope that you will be inclined to say yes.
Have a conversation. Have a conversation. Say, you know, we've been dating for a while, or we've only been dating for a week or a month. What do you think about marriage? You know, are you ready to get married? Whatever. That would give a good inclination of whether public is the way to go.
Let I ask a question.
So what do you think about marriage? And the person said, me can't take on that right now. Public, I'm no.
True. But in that situation, it's clear cut. So what if you're with somebody and the two of you claim to be hopelessly in love?
Right.
And, you know, you have discussions about moving the relationship to the next level and so on and so forth. And one day you go to, I'm going to say KFC.
One name the next level now?
That's a good question. Because then you'd have to discuss what the next level means. But remember now, we're telling men what they need to know, because oftentimes men think they know, but they have no idea.
Women
so
too.
We're just trying to help you this morning.
Oh, the men will help this morning.
Yes, we're helping the men.
Because the women, them need help too, you know.
What men need to know before public proposals.
Okay.
So Delia's making the first point. Have a discussion. Insofar as you can have a discussion.
With the person. Don't have the discussion with their friend. Don't have the discussion with their family. Have it with them. Because she might have a friend or a family member who really want her to get married. And you go to them and say, you know, I'm thinking of proposing. And them say, yes, do it.
Okay.
Do it because she's married and she not have it in her head.
So Harris, tell me how that conversation unfolds.
Between him and the lady?
Yes. And I mean, you obviously can't go to her and say, you know, I'm thinking we should get married and I want to go down on my knees in front of Twin Gates Plaza and ask. You know what I mean?
But I'm saying before you even talk about publicly, talk about whether proposal is feasible. So
actually say, if I were to ask you, would you consider it?
No, just say, look, you know, a friend of mine got married. People get married all the time. A friend of mine got married last week. And, you know, have you ever thought about getting married? What are your thoughts on getting married? And they will tell you. That will give you an inclination of whether the mind space is anywhere near marriage. Because the person will either say, you know, I've always wanted to get married. I like the idea. Maybe I'm not ready right now. Or the person will say, yes, if I mean it, I will get married. Next thing, you go up on social media. Did you see this video of this guy proposing to this girl in public? What do you think about it? Inclination. Them either gonna say that's a foolishness. If I mean, wouldn't like it.
Okay, so the takeaway from this point is that no matter what cues you think you may be getting at home,
clear it up.
You have to go beyond the clues.
Clear it up.
So you can have a inclination.
Clear it up, because men will tell you they don't understand women. Women don't understand men. So the cues where you get might not be the cues.
Because sometimes the love language is very smooth, and you all and you understand each other, or you think you do, until you realize that the proposal comes and nothing happened.
All right, okay. I was mouthing to Clyde. There's a video, so here's the video.
Public proposals are canceled. You cannot do this if you're not 100% certain. She ain't gonna, you gotta be like, girl, you tripping. You gotta propose by text. You gotta send a ring emoji, be like, what would you do if I had a real one of these right now? You know, this is the time for jagged edge proposals. This isn't a get down on one knee in public summer. This is a meet me at the altar in your white dress. We ain't getting no younger. You might as well do it. We might as well get married. Meet me there, though. That's my proposal. Meet me there. I'm not going to ask you in front of nobody. Meet me there. In your white dress, too. Look, we getting older. And also, I was against women proposing to men in the past. I am now for it. We got to spare our king's feelings. Let these women deal with some rejection. I never seen a proposal video where a woman got down on one knee and was told no. Let's start that up. Let's even the playing field. Don't just let them out here controlling our whole destiny, man. Are you crazy? Let them be told no. They got to be broken up now, right? You can't go home after that and be together. You can't be like, remember when I proposed and you said no? And then I was going to cry in front of the whole internet. I love you. We got 3 kids deep. Has anybody ever recovered from a failed proposal? I don't know.
But even this proposal, I wasn't sure it was genuine because they had a whole film crew and a boom mic, and so it seemed pretty staged to me. Seemed a little bit staged.
I think that man have some trauma that he needs to work through.
That what? Be able to hear this song when him drop?
No, but
any man
you
tell
come to me,
meet me at the altar in your white dress. We ain't getting no younger. We might as well do this.
Go and get old and grey by yourself.
No, you know, me gonna tell him to meet me at the altar for you and make him one time up there.
He's gonna go by himself. I mean, listen.
I would have find the furthest church on the grill and tell him to meet me down on the grill.
Let's do it up by Rick's Cafe.
Yes.
Con.
I'm coming right behind you.
At 6:59.
I'm making stand up there till Christmas.
Yeah. What, Marvin?
Chad, why would you tell me something so disrespectful and think that I would marry you?
Gentlemen, the other thing.
We're not getting no younger.
No, well, we ain't getting no younger.
We might as well do this.
No, we're hungry.
Might as cheap. We're married.
No, we're teaching you. See, I'm Jody, poor Jody, I get involved. The art of romance, it cannot be dead. I mean, practicality is one thing. But you cannot go to a woman. And women, you cannot,
But Simone, on the flip side, women need to stop pressuring men.
I agree.
Because a man should be allowed to propose the way that he wants
to. A man to be...
Some of them, the man propose. Yes, sir, you do it.
Yes.
You couldn't make it.
The rings are small.
Yeah, you couldn't make it in front of my family. You couldn't organize something. You're not romantic. The man asks if I'm married to you, make him ask you where he want to ask you and want to ask you. Poor soul, he might have nervous and you want to crowd around.
But actually, there are women who force men just to propose. And that's where the problem comes in, because a man who feels he's forced to either propose or lose you, some will choose to lose you, some will propose and it's going to mash up anyway.
You know, there are women, though, who orchestrate their own proposal.
Oh, yeah.
So the man said, I marry him. He said, okay, and this is what you're going to do. And them orchestrate
that script.
Girl, get yourself together. Get yourself together.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's sorry for the man, them, you know. When they're wrong, me tell them say they're wrong. But sometimes we give them too much. No, true. But sometimes we pressure them. Give them a break. It's their prerogative to decide how they want to ask. And allow them to do so.
And also for women.
Yes.
If you feel so led, because women, I think women can ask if they feel.
Ask a man if he wants to marry her?
I think so. The more traditional route has always been the reverse, but I don't know if it's a bad.
It's not something I would necessarily have him up in the ear like him and say hallelujah.
Soliciting a
like him away from somebody if ask him.
Nobody in here. It's not me and it's not Dada, sure. It's not Jody, and none of the men don't interest neither. All right, we'll take a break and smile. That's it for Girl Talk. We'll be right back.